Yo! First order of the day, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $7 and change, going 3.5 miles.
Good morning. We'll be using your mobile app today.
Have a good one.
Thank you, you too. Next order up is a different McDonald's. This one is going to be $8, going 4 miles. Thank you. Morning.
Thank you.
Yep, have a good day.
Thank you.
Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $12, going 6 miles, 6 items. Got the next order right away. This is another shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's $12, going 6 miles, only 1 item.
Thank you. Someone will be with you shortly.
Yep, just that one.
Okay.
Got the next order while I was waiting for him to come to the door. This is Tonellis Donuts and Cream. This one's $13, going, I think it's at 6 miles. Okay. I'll be back for the drinks. Next up is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $11, going 4 miles, 3 items. Morning. I believe it's going to be these. I think that's it, yeah. Thank you. Wow, that's a really good order. Oh boy. Yeah, I was kind of committed to this order, but they offered me a kitchen table cafe, $8, going 2 miles. Unfortunate. This is F. J, so there's J's over here. Really glad the GPS took me 3 buildings away. Shout out to whoever designed these apartments for only putting 1 sign on each building that says what letter it is. So you have to walk around the whole building just to figure out where you are. Next up is a Jack in the Box. This one is $8, going 4.5 miles. $20 tip on that one. Wow, thank you. I was not expecting that. And they just messaged me saying, thank you very much. What? I'm thanking you, brother. That's insane. Total for that order was $23. And got the next one right away. This is a McDonald's, $7 going 4 miles. Next up, got a shop and deliver for Safeway, $11 going 6 miles, only one item.
Farm fresh dairy and delicious prepared offerings from Signature Cafe.
Excuse me? It's just to go at that, like lemon, lime, tonic water?
No, it's for Uber.
Okay. Sorry, I always like to ask.
It's no problem. Heading back to Safeway for this one. This is a shop and deliver, $16 going 6 miles, 6 items. Got this add-on. It's a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $7 going 2 miles, 2 items.
No.
How's it going? But my bad. I forgot all about the Uber order.
Well, thanks for wasting my time. I only knocked like 3 times, texted, and called him, which he answered, by the way, just to hang up like 2 seconds later, and still didn't come to the door. Really nice. Like, I'm already not getting full pay out of this first order because I had to substitute their sodas. So hopefully all this wasted time on top of it doesn't make it even worse. Next up is a 7-Eleven pickup. This one is $6 going 1.5 miles. Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Next order up is Red Leaf Coffee. This is $8 going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Alright, I'm starving, so let's get out of here. Current time is 9:54. Current total is like 115. And I think I'm waiting on Uber tips still, so that should be, I want to say close to 130. But anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.